I'm very glad and actually quite interesting to have this in my own eyes. So I know what is the good thing, the developed things that happens here. And honestly, it's very excited.
I feel like some area I feel some surprise things because most of the things robotic things are doing. It's also very nice.
We are being to a couple of floors and then we see the production from the beginning. Really good, amazing robotic process. And I just want to know how the quality control you are maintaining after the production. So even that also now clarified because it's doing automatic. It's amazing factory. I like it.
Today we go to see the new factory. My feeling is amazing. Yeah, and at the end, I think Ruijie is for a good quantity control.
I believe this factory will support you to getting better and better in terms of production time, in terms of quality.
We were happy to see the amount of assembly line that Ruijie has. Bringing down the timeline, creating a Go Green initiative. It was a very good experience.
The dedication of the factory to become fully automated, robotic factory is another advantage that brings to the chain of the supply that makes it faster.
The factory we visit that made that Ruijie invest a lot and in new technology that will make us confident that we tell to our customer, our partner, that Ruijie is very focused on the new technology and development.
I'm impressed. So it's really an informative trip, and I get to know how Ruijie operates. It's pretty impressive.